Post-construction termite treatment for brick or stone veneers must target the hidden cavity gaps where termites hide and can reach the structural framing. When addressing veneer cavity spaces, start by locating weep holes and any visible mortar gaps along the base and around openings. Drill small access holes at the mortar joints or through the cavity at the weep locations to reach the space behind the veneer, but avoid drilling into the structural framing. Use a low-pressure injection wand or flexible tubing to deliver a registered termiticide into the cavity so the product can coat the internal surfaces and run down to the sill plate level. Inspect and, if needed, replace or install corrosion-resistant mesh screens at weep holes and vents to block insect entry while retaining drainage. Seal any gaps between the veneer backing and the house framing with non-shrinking backer and an appropriate exterior rated sealant, ensuring the sealant is continuous and allowed to cure before painting. Verify that the weep screeds and flashing are intact and properly lapped. If flashing is compromised, remove small sections of veneer mortar as required, repair the flashing with compatible materials, then repoint to restore the weather barrier. Common mistakes include treating only the wall face and not the cavity, which leaves retreats for termites. So always drill to the cavity and inject along the full run of the void to ensure treatment reaches the sill and framing. Relying on surface sealants alone can trap moisture or hide active infestations, so combine sealing with inspection and treatment, and ignoring damaged or absent flashing and weep screeds, which allows water and termites access. So inspect flashing lines with a mirror or probe and repair any breaks before finishing sealant work. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where we share practical advice and ask neighborhood-specific questions about treatments and contractors. We help contractors find work by listing needs and project leads while letting everyone discuss methods and local product experiences.